ni Renny J yung mga kalaban or yung final slash na nagmumula kay Edward, which makes it all the more beautiful kasi walang galawan yung mga kalaban nila sa Falcons AP, Brent.
Umi, ito yung sinasabi mo kanina na parang kung gusto mo maging isang magaling na mid laner, all you need to do is look at how Yue plays this specific game. And I feel like so far, the past 2-3 games na nakita natin, those 2 wins ng Aurora, he has a lot of contributions onto that.
Yeah, at ang naging maganda dito no, for the side of Aurora, especially dito kay Yue, is sometimes he would expend his flicker ng pop paharap.
Yeah.
Ito yung minsan sinasabi ng mga coach na hindi dapat ginagawa ever unless sure kang worth it. And most of the time, ganyan no, yung nag-flicker paharap si Yue ay napaka-worth it talaga dahil lang natatamaan niya ay si Super Marco na once again is using the flicker. Hindi naka-pure si Super Marco dito, kaya worth it yung flicker na binaburn dito ng Aurora para ma-stunlock ang isang bulletproof Marco dito sa kupunan ng Falcons AP, Brent.
Yeah, and it's just good to note that one of the reasons kung bakit kayang gawin ni Yue yun ay yung fact na meron siyang Pride of Ice na merong 120 or 150 seconds na cooldown. Kaya naman super confident na kanya ginagawa. But also, I just wanna shout out the performance also of Doming in this game specifically. Ang ganda na pagkaka-outplay niya. Kaya Kyle at TZ towards that latter parts of the game. And even yung pagkakabili niya ng Winter Truncheon when they were ending the base. This just goes to show how confident he is sa pagkakagamit ng Moskov na to. And ito yung sinasabi natin mahirap tapatan ang Fanny or any other assassins. But if you are a Moskov na nakapag-snowball, kung ikaw yung Moskov na bulletproof sa majority ng game, hindi ka magkakaroon ng difficulty in terms of being able to do just that. Kung papansinin natin, lahat